Quick! Fire to the rescue! Fire to the rescue! Why did you get a little too close to us? Because we were all too close. Because we went too close. Oh. Fireworks right. But dude, why are you dancing whenever you were about to die? Bro's literally dancing at his death. Dude, what are you doing? Bro's crazy. What is he doing? Bro's dead. Bro's crazy. Bro's crazy. Like actually crazy. Bro wants. Dude literally wants to die right now. Get out. Get out. Bro wants to die. Watch out, go! Man, that's so beautiful. You're like flowers in the sky. Flowers. I like flowers. Dude, that is so beautiful. That is actually beautiful. Dude, come on, let's go over there for protection. Dude, I mean, girl, come on. Come, let's come over here for protection. Just in case the thing falls again. Look at the frogs. Look at frogs. Come on, let's go over here. Look at that one. Look at that one. I don't like it. Come on, let's go over here. Dude, why do we get the lame one? Why do we get the lame one? Andrew, they're saving the, what's it called? The best for last. But they don't know what it's gonna do though. Dad! Dude, my dad's crazy actually. Bro's trying to kill everyone. Even the children. We get the lame ones. Dad! What is wrong with you? Daddy, what is wrong with you actually? What is wrong with you? You put it closer to us. Now you're putting it close to them and you're holding the fireworks. Dude, my guy's crazy. I'm gonna do one TikTok. He's doing close to us. He put it to our family and now he's holding it. 4th of July. It's called golden. Yeah, but it's going to go to. Oh, that's it. Why do we get the lame one?
I told you we're saving the best for that.
That was a gold dust. Just pure gold dust and nothing.
We're saving for the best for that.
But they don't know what it's gonna do.
At this point, I'm just waiting for my slushy.
Woo! That was a huge one. Woo! Daddy, just put it on the ground and light it. Is those firecrackers? Oh no, they're not. Dad, get out of there! What are you doing? What is wrong with him? Actually.
Bro, he's a
I'm talking to him after this fireworks. Cause no, this is not normal. He does not does this. He does not do this.
he does this every year.
No, he does not.
Oh.
But your dad did it. Whenever he was dancing during the fireworks.
Yeah, I want to stand there.
Yeah, cause literally, it's like they want to die. Sorry guys if I am being too loud. I'll pause it.
Okay, that's gonna break one of my noses here.
No, it's gonna break our eyes. That thing stopped right. Like look at the fence. Look at the fence right there. See? It's going all the way to right there.